heart of the Motorsport Valley, BTB Exhausts supply top-class fabrication services to the motorsport industry, something they've been doing for over 30 years. Let's take a look at their championship-winning services. With expert knowledge and a passion for the industry, BTB Exhausts offer the latest performance-enhancing exhaust systems, expertly manufactured by their team of talented craftsmen. BTB have supplied championship-winning motorsport teams since 1983, including 2013 BTCC champion Andrew Jordan. Using the latest 3D CAD technology to optimise both performance and fit, they can also supply FIA homologated free-flow catalytic converters, not just for the UK market, but for international motorsport competitors too. BTB focus on every aspect of exhaust design. Their team of specialists are dedicated to crafting lightweight systems that improve performance, reduce emission levels and fit perfectly every time. All their motorsport products are manufactured here on site, using leading industry materials including temperature-resistant nickel, stainless steel and titanium alloys. BTB's performance is proven in the world's toughest disciplines. Whether it's GT racing, touring cars or rallying, winners have chosen BTB Exhausts for their experience, quality and integrity. For speed, noise reduction and reliability, BTB have the science covered. Contact BTB Exhausts today for more information on how they can improve your performance.